Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites and taking the first actionable steps. Install Visual Studio Code and a running MySQL server, then add a MySQL extension such as SQL Tools. Once done, create a connection profile with host, port, username, and password. You should store it securely in the extension settings. Make sure to test the connection now so you can proceed. This avoids later interruptions and lets you open databases directly inside VSCode for queries and schema browsing. Once your profile is active, connect and pick a default database so queries run in the right context. You will open the SQL editor, write parameterized select, insert, update statements, and execute them with the extension's run command. This prevents SQL injection and keeps results predictable. Make sure to use code snippets and autocomplete to speed repetitive tasks. After running queries, review result panes, use export to CSV or JSON when needed, and annotate your SQL files for reproducibility and team handling. For final steps, combine VSCode features. Use the integrated terminal to run the MySQL CLI for dumps and restores, and configure tasks or extensions for migrations and schema versioning. Once configured, enable linting and SQL formatting to maintain consistency. If something goes wrong, check common issues. Confirm the correct port and host, verify SSL settings and firewall rules, and inspect the extension connection logs. If the problem persists, restart the extension and the MySQL service, then retest the connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.